Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is weekly video. I have covered gold, silver and crude oil in this video. I have given forecast with upcoming event in this video. So don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please watch full video to get the all support and resistance for next week. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. One candle is for one day. Let's quickly recap what happened last week. This is Friday's candle, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday gold opened around 1807 and finally gold settled around 1858. One more interesting thing I want to show you is dollar index. So 4 out of 5 candles are green. Let's check dollar index. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Even in dollar index, 3 out of 5 candles are green. So gold is not even factoring the dollar index strength as of now. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, when market was about to close, Bloomberg reported that US believes Russia could take offensive military action or attempt to spark a conflict inside Ukraine as early as next week. US National Security Advisor Jack Sullivan said Russia could take offensive military action or attempt to spark a conflict inside Ukraine as early as next week before the Winter Olympics in Beijing wrap up. This literally ignited the gold, and this literally ignited the gold, and last 2-3 hours were the most positive for gold prices, as we can see. Now one more thing, if you want to see Hindi version of this video, you can check my streaming channel link in description. I have uploaded Hindi version of this video on that channel. Now gold have finally closed up around 1858. The resistance was near 1858, but we need to have one more closing above this resistance, then we will conclude that yes, gold have entered in positive zone. I don't think that would be very difficult to close above 1858, but still I will give you 2 resistance for this week. But before that, let's quickly have a look for major event and major data which are due next week. Monday we have FOMC member speech, ECB president speech. All timings are Indian standard timings, and I will highlight only major data. We have Japan's GDP numbers Tuesday early morning. Then we have German economic sentiment Tuesday. Europe flash GDP numbers. Then we have US wholesale inflation numbers. We have manufacturing index from US 7 p.m. Tuesday. Wednesday we have Britain's inflation numbers, industrial production from Europe. Wednesday we also have retail sales and core retail sales numbers from US. All numbers will be around 7 p.m. Then 7:45 industrial production, crude oil inventory as well. Thursday we have unemployment claims, building permits and manufacturing index from US along with FOMC member speech. Friday again 3 member speech will be due and existing home sales number from US as well. Let's move on to chart. Now last week gold had 2 caveat to rise. One, we had rising inflation. If you had watched my inflation video which I have updated yesterday, I mentioned that US inflation is running hot and it is running almost at 40 years high. In fact, I was expecting a little cool down from inflation, this month, but it hasn't happened, and market had posted more inflation than expected. US inflation came 7.5%, the highest since 1982. So there were two reasons which gold was considering this week. One is higher inflation. In fact, gold has already discounted once it started operating from Monday 1807. Gold have already started discounting the inflation numbers, as you can see. In fact, gold was around 1830 when inflation numbers came. But this Friday candle is solely for Ukraine tension, Russia tension. Now what happened week because the news came before market closing. Now we will have to see what happens during weekend, because US will be reacting and Russia will be counter reacting. So we will see what happen next week. So I'll update you in my daily videos. Daily videos comes on this channel only. You can subscribe and click bell icon for videos notification. Now let's quickly find out the resistance and support for gold this week. I have given two resistance. One is 1861. If gold break and close above this resistance, then we will conclude yes, gold have entered in positive zone. After that, gold could test around 1890 and 1930. Support is very crucial, 1780. That is the support. If gold break and close below the support, then expect 1750 and $1700. Currently gold is in positive zone, but I would advise fresh buy only once market close above $1861. So we will wait for Monday's closing. We will assess what happens Monday, because many event could take place during weekend, and there are much steam left in gold as well. So we will see what happens Monday, then we will decide if we are going with buyers or sellers by Monday. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Let's quickly have a recap. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it opened around 2250 and finally closed around 2256. One interesting thing, it made high around 2371, which it didn't break even when Russia's tension were rising. It is clearly in weak zone. In fact, it has underperformed gold last week, and in even Friday it had underperformed. As you can see, gold is up 1.73%, silver is up only 1.62%. So it is in still weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support. In silver, $24.10. That will act as the resistance now. If silver break and sustain and close above this resistance, these are weekly levels, so silver need to close above this level. Once silver close above this level, then expect $24.90 and $26. Support $22.20. Below this support, expect $21.40 and $19. Keep an eye on $21.40. That is one of the major support in silver. I have repeatedly said that in my many weekly videos that 2140 is a crucial level for silver. Keep an eye on that as well. Let's move on to crude oil. This is clearly the rock star of commodity pack. Every week it is making new highs. Let's quickly have a look what happened. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it opened around $92. Finally it closed around $94. The high it made 94.63. Again closing at almost at the highest point of the week. It is clearly in a very bullish zone, very high buying zone. Again it is making new highs every week. So again I'm saying please do not go for sell till market does not give any close below our support. So make sure you watch support and let it close below support, then only you can go for selling. Otherwise stay away from selling. For my paid signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen. Now let's have a look at resistance and support in crude oil. 83.90. That will act as support. If crude oil break and close below the support, then we will see some good selling in crude oil. Below this support we can see till 80 and $76. Resistance at $97.20. Above this expect 100 and $104. I think we will be hitting three digit numbers in few weeks, so keep an eye on that. We might have a reversal from 3-digit numbers as well, so keep an eye on that as well. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want regular video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you on Monday in my Monday's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.